Welcome back, students. Today we have a question. The question is x positive root of 1 positive x squared is multiplied with y positive root of 1 positive y squared, and that is equated to 1. Now the question is, you are expected to find the value of x positive y raised to the power 2 for x comma y element of real numbers. So this is given to us and we are expected to find the value of x positive y raised to the power 2. So as usual, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider x positive root of 1 positive x squared times y positive root of 1 positive y squared to be equal to 1. This is given, so I'm considering this equation. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take let x positive root of 1 positive x squared be equal to some w. So if I were to name this as 1, so therefore 1 can now be rewritten as w times y positive root of 1 positive y squared equal to 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move w down, so that would mean I would now have y positive root of 1 positive y squared to be equal to 1 over w. I will move this y to the right side. That would give me root of 1 positive y squared to be equal to 1 over w negative y. Now I would square both sides. So when I do that, we get root of 1 positive y squared being squared. On the right it will be 1 over w negative y raised to the power 2. The square and the square root gets cancelled, giving you 1 positive y squared equal to, on the right side, expand this square. So that would be 1 over w squared negative 2 times y over w positive y squared. Move this y squared to the right, and that would be giving you 1 equal to 1 over w squared negative 2y over w positive y squared negative y squared. So they would be cancelled. So that would mean I would now have 1 equal to 1 over w squared negative 2y over w. So what I would do is I would move this to the left and move this to the right. So that would mean I would now have 2y over w is equal to 1 over w squared negative 1. Now let me use this side. Move this w to the right. So that would give me 2y equal to w of 1 over w squared negative 1. Take the w inside, that would give you w over w squared negative w, which can be rewritten as 1 over w negative w, which is equal to 2 times y. Move the 2 down, you would get y to be equal to 1 over 2 of 1 over w negative w. Now let this be considered as system 2. So now let me just use this side. Now if you would remember, I have considered w to be equal to x positive root of 1 positive x squared. Clearly 1 over w would be equal to 1 over x positive root of 1 positive x squared. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be rationalizing this. So that would mean multiplying by x negative root of 1 positive x squared and dividing it by x negative root of 1 positive x squared. This would give me x negative root of 1 positive x squared divided by, the denominator would give me x squared negative 1 positive x squared. I can rewrite this as x negative root of 1 positive x squared divided by x squared negative 1 negative x squared. Positive x squared gets cancelled, giving me x negative root of 1 positive x squared divided by negative 1. I can rewrite this as negative x positive root of 1 positive x squared. On the left, I've got 1 over w. Now, already, if you remember, we have a system here. So now what I'm going to do, in place of 1 over w, I would be substituting the value that we got here. So substituting for 1 over w, we would now have y to be equal to 1 over 2 times. In place of 1 over w, I would be substituting negative x positive root of 1 positive x squared negative. We know that the value for w is x positive root of 1 positive x squared, because this is what we assumed. So we substitute that. So that would be negative of x positive root of 1 positive x squared. I can rewrite this as 1 over 2 of negative x positive root of 1 positive x squared negative x negative root of 1 positive x squared. Now, positive root of 1 plus x squared and negative root of 1 plus x squared can be cancelled. This would give me 1 over 2 times negative x negative x. I can rewrite this as 1 over 2 of negative 2x. Cancelling the 2's, we would have negative x. So therefore, we have got a value for y, which is negative x. Now, the question wanted us to find the value of x positive y raised to the power 2. But I know the value of y to be as negative x. So we substitute y value there, and that would mean I now have x negative x raised to the power 2, which is nothing but 0. So this is the solution for the question.